Yo, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. We recorded from the phone. We got the Audi though. Sheesh. Then the phone look kind of clean though, for reals. We're about to go to Walmart and buy a camera, and then we're gonna record today, and we're gonna try to take it back unless we break it. So yeah. I forgot the GoPro at the crib. So yeah, we in the States though. We're gonna be trying to drive a motorcycle today. So hope y'all like and enjoy. Been pretty fun in the States, but not as cool as Germany. Sheesh, the car loud as fuck, but we got the Hero 10, nigga. And we got Fly Guys Charger 2, nigga. Boop gang. They didn't have the 12, bro. It's like literally the only GoPro these niggas had, bro. Sheesh, peep it though. Bro, I think I had the Hero 9 and then I had the Hero 11. I never had the 10, I don't think. I might have to buy an SD card too today. Sheesh. Me open everything up and I'll let y'all know. All right, bro. Nigga dropped $300 on a fucking GoPro. Shit don't even got an SD card, so we got this joint. Shit ass, but I'll see y'all on the GoPro. Let me set everything up and probably get charging a little bit, and then we'll get y'all set up, nigga. Sheesh, my boys. And the GoPro. How the quality look? Good, bad? I don't know. Let me know. Got myself a Royal Farms wrap. Shit's gas. Sheesh, man.
Which would be more than enough Friday.
Hey, what's up, guys?
You gotta record. Put the other way.
They just gotta look on there.
Jeez, the bust down avalanche, huh?
Damn, Bubba.
Nah, you should have the 14.
You feel me? Vortex engine with the, you feel me?
Which one is it?
Intercooler.
Chat, comment down below which engine this shit is.
Yeah, let us know below.
You'll hit up Cash Pino if you need your oil changed. Or new tires, goddamn.
Yeah, definitely need the new tires too.
Yeesh, man. We're finna die.
You're what, baby?
Why you call me baby?
No,
Gonna get it tatted. Ghetto tat, nigga. By Bob Marley herself. Nah, that's fucked up. I'm sorry. Bro, set up. Look at that shit. That shit cost them what? 4 bands?
4 bands, easy 4 bands.
Shit's ass.
a little bit of water.
Bro. I don't even know what he's doing, bro. How you turn on this light?
I gave this light to her.
I'm plugging into another pussy.
I wasn't trying to figure out what she had.
Right there, right there.
Take it.
You ready?
Yo, you wanna fight? Come on, let's go outside. Wow.
There you go.
Oh,
Did you both of them? That shit is not straight, bro.
I don't have to go back over it though. I can't see.
You gotta go back over it again?
Yes, damn.
That shit fucked up, bro. You can't
That's
fix
the
it.
first. No, it's not. You come. It's look at how deep this is. Look how thick this is. That's your first little line. How
many
barely
lines
even,
you
I
gotta
barely
do?
touched you. I barely even touched you. Stop, watch.
All right,
now
go.
that you say it's not that loud.
Oh, yeah, get them right real quick. He fucked up. I'm bleeding.
See how I got better?
It's alright.
See how I got better though?
That was good. Do a smiley face now.
It's probably not gonna be good.
Hey, dummy.
Oh my god, the smile is a hard part, yeah? Oh my god.
Take it in sections.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm deep as shit.
I have it set to it's not even going that deep.
Niggas bucking
How do
me
you feel?
up,
What do you
bro.
think? What do you think it
He
looks like?
fucked up.
I don't know if I
There you go.
There you go.
Got blood all on it.
Yeah, that was my fuck up I was talking about.
Yeah.
Just, your smile a little thin.
It gives the character.
Gives a character, I fuck with it. I fuck with it.
And that shit kind of big. I like it.
That's just one more wipe for good luck, man.
Let me see.
It look good. I don't mind it for reals.
It's good times.
You gonna get yourself one? You can't see.
Third tattoo. Gotta die. What's up?
Don't let him text you.
Who, me?
No, I'm talking about Ryan.
Yeah, it should be both of us for real.
Yeah, Corey.
The hell?
Corey just, he copied up Brian.
And he's tattooing you with a fucking...
What?
God, this is a shaving needle.
Yeah, I was wondering why it's
so
so
big.
wide.
Okay. Can you give me some pillows?
Okay, what size pillow? Medium, large? I meant to ask that before grabbing them.
You ready?
Yeah.
Watch this, man. It's gonna take forever now.
No, it's not. Shut up.
That's way better. Motherfuckers doing with the shading needle, bro. It hurt. Ooh, that shit graphic. I don't know if I can show it.
Way too much light.
Oh, that works. He's in the Audi with it. All right, the video low-key took a turn. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I was supposed to drive the bike today for the video, but with the scheduling, it just didn't really work out. I drove it yesterday, and I had plans to buy it. So, I mean, like, I'm buying it. So, I mean, you'll see it in the future, but the video was just supposed to be me like learning how to drive it, driving it for the first time, stuff like that. I drove it yesterday though. It's pretty fun. It kind of got me hooked on bikes. Kind of on a bike now. Traffic, sheesh. I just want to show y'all, bro. This is what we got to deal with. Damn. I don't want to move here. Niggas say move to this. Come on, man. I'm sorry. It took a turn. We got like. I let noobs give me tattoos. I mean, damn, bro. Like, I didn't really know I was gonna do it today, but I was like, fuck it. Give me a tattoo, nigga. But yeah, had a fun time at home. I think that's gonna be the video. I'm gonna take the GoPro back. I don't want a Hero 10. I got fucking a Hero 11 Mini. Don't even use that shit. Got a Hero 11. Don't even, nah, I'll be using that shit. That's like the main cam right now, but yeah, boys, I'm gonna try to take it back. If I can't, then I don't know. I'm gonna be sad. I don't want a Hero 10. Niggas only had Hero 10s at fucking, biz, low-key, if I would've got the 12, I wouldn't be that mad if they wouldn't be able to take it back, because I don't even have a 12 yet. But the Hero 10, bro, come on. Downgrading, bro. But yeah, boys, the rental car kind of fire. I might do a little pull later. It's slow. It's slow. It's slower than the German ones. I don't know why. I don't know why it's different. But yeah, boys, subscribe, like, comment. Let's get the, I don't know. But more videos coming soon. But yeah, let's go. Sorry, I've been kind of not doing videos. All right, my boys, we're saying goodbye to the GoPro. It was good. You literally used it for a day. Putting all the plastic ain't even on right for reals, but putting everything back on there, making it look spiffy, and gonna try to take it back. We're gonna try to keep the stickers though, nigga. Get the bang, what?
I gotta fucking chase you down. And you can drop the clutch. Yep, you got it. You figured it out instantly.